I'm working on developing coaching sessions for TrendMiner at Nuria. I create use cases based on production events or production situations at the plant, and I then teach them how to analyze the situation in TrendMiner. The reaction of the coaching sessions has been really positive. They are liking it, the way of teaching them with actual use cases. The use cases that I'm using for the training has achieved that you will minimize shutdowns due to breakage of heat exchangers, and also you can reduce circle time for batches. The usage of TrendMiner brings to the end users an agile way to analyze the data and to share the data. So this discretization of the data so they can use it and share it with them is being really good for the community. But for us, the end user TrendMiner usage, it helps to the digitalization movement that we want to achieve in Nurian. What I will suggest for people that doesn't have TrendMiner at the moment is we live in a globalized world where we need to be data-driven to validate cases and improve. And TrendMiner give a really accessible place to do your analysis, statistical analysis, and move forward and be a data-driven company.